Hi guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So in this video guys, we are going to check out a subdivision in the Philippines where I bought a house and lot. So guys, this is the main entrance gate of the subdivision, which is located in Dasmariñas, Cavite. So here we are at the subdivision's amenity area, and it's just a few meters away from the entrance gate. And it features a clubhouse and togetherness zone, like, a park where family can, get together or walk around. And it features also the function hall where you can hold birthday parties, wedding parties, and whatnot. And the clubhouse also has the swimming pool for adult and for kids. As you can see guys, constructions are still ongoing, and so some of the facilities are still not completed. But this clubhouse features an indoor gym and outdoor gym. They've got also a children's playground, a covered badminton and basketball court. But before we proceed to my project, let's go around and check out the neighborhood. So here we are now, guys, at Block 19, and they have already started constructing the house. And this is what my neighborhood looks like around here. And actually, my brother is the one acting as my SPA since, I'm abroad. On the second day, my brother spotted that they already started laying out the base or the foundation of the house. So guys, this was taken on the third visit of my brother, where there was already cemented flooring and walling on the first floor.
Minsan nagdala ako dito, wala nang katao-tao eh. Ayan na.
Slabs and flooring have started on the second floor as well. So guys, this is the current situation of the construction of my unit. By the way, this subdivision is called IDESIA. The developer is a cooperation between PA Properties and the Hankyu Realty. I bought a property here because it's on a prime location, it's very close to the shopping malls like Robinsons and SM, and close to, schools and hospitals. So it's really a good place to, to buy a property here. So guys, if you are interested to buy or invest in this property, you can contact me and I will refer you to my agent. So with that said, we've come to an end of our vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you on my next one. 再见, bye bye.